What if I told you that you could work from home at night, earn over $15 per hour, and still have time for school or you're also during the day? Hi guys, it's Ayobami. I'll show you 15 legit remote night jobs that Nigerians like you can start in 2025 with no stress and no expensive degree required. And yes, I'll show you where to find them and how to apply. Let's dive in. Chat support agent pays $15 to $20 per hour. What you will do, you will simply reply to customers via chat or email under mostly night shifts. You simply want to apply on the live board, alright? And how to apply, simply want to create a professional resume, apply directly on their careers page, and you want to mention you are open to night shifts. Virtual assistant. Now this pays $12 to $25 per hour, and the tasks include email management, calendar booking, basic research, and so on. And you can simply apply on Belay or Upwork. So you want to look for clients based in the US or UK to land night shifts. Online English tutor. Now this pays $10 to $22 per hour, and you can simply apply on Cambly, and no degree is needed here. Or you can simply go to preply.com. So you want to create a video introduction and pass basic grammar screening, and you can then start teaching global students. For data entry clerk, this pays $12 to $18 per hour, and you can simply apply on Clickworker and also remote.co. You want to be fast and accurate, so definitely you're going to apply to multiple openings. For customer support, this pays $13 to $19 per hour, and you can find jobs on weworkremotely.com and also Working Solutions. So this is how you apply. You want to prepare a strong voice-based resume. Some will ask for an internet speed test. So if you could remember in my last video, I made mention of something like that you just want to include your internet speed in any CV that you're going to be submitting, alright? So you want to include your internet speed in all your resume. So for freelance writer, this pays $20 to $50 per article. So to actually get started, you want to go to Test Broker or Pro Blogger Jobs, and you can simply use AI tools to actually brainstorm, but you want to write and edit in your own voice. For transcription jobs, this pays 60 cents to $1 per audio minute, and you can simply apply for transcription jobs on the Co-Transcript or Ref. And this is how you apply. You want to pass a short transcription test to actually get approved. For online moderator, so this pays $15 to $25 per hour. And where can you find online moderator jobs? You can simply find these jobs on Mod Squad, the Social Element. So guys, I'll be leaving all this link in the description below. And for this role, you simply want to moderate comments. You can actually moderate comments on Facebook groups, forums, even WhatsApp. So you want to remove spam and simply engage with communities, mostly active at night. So for graphic designer, this pays $20 to $100 per design, and even more than that, depending on what you can offer. And where are these services offered? You can simply do this on Fiverr and also 99 designs. So you want to focus on fast overnight delivery and niche gigs like ebook covers or social media ads. Alright. So for remote tech support, this pays $15 to $25 per hour, and you can get started on the sites like support.com and Remotive. So guys, I'm making videos on most of these sites already. So kindly go through my channel. You're going to get access to loads of videos that can be of help. So what is needed to actually get started? You need basic IT knowledge and ability to troubleshoot remotely. Now for content moderator, this pays $14 to $20 per hour, and companies hiring teleperformance, TTEC, alright, and these are rotating shifts. Now often include night hours. So content moderators for videos and comments, alright. So you can become a content moderator and for videos and comments, and you get paid $14 to $20 per hour, which is simply amazing. For AI training contributor, this pays from $15 to $30 per hour, and you can simply go to this site, Scale AI, and also remote tasks. And how it works: you simply want to help improve AI systems by labeling content or images. Nighttime appointment sitter, and this pays $15 to $22 per hour, and you can find most of these jobs on Indeed. So you want to search for remote night appointment sitter, or you can also go to Outbounders, alright. And the skills required are communication, code calling, and so on. So for social media manager, this pays $18 to $30 per hour, and you can start with people per hour, and also online jobs PH. Yes, Nigerians can apply to, alright. So you want to offer night posting and scheduling services on these platforms, alright. People per hour and online jobs.ph. Virtual night dispatcher, this pays $17 to $25 per hour. And where can you apply? You want to go to Dispatch Track or Indeed. And what you will do, you simply coordinate truck drivers or delivery teams during night hours. So there you have it, 15 legit night jobs that pay well and are perfect for Nigerians who want to earn in dollars without quitting school or their day also. If you want my free checklist of top 20 remote companies hiring Nigerians, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which job you are going to try first. I'll reply with direct links or tips. I'm Ayobami from Logic Income Academy. See you in the next one.